If you're like me, you probably get way too many notifications on your smartphone from websites that you do not even care about. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for specific websites on your smartphone. First up, we've got Google Chrome. Here's how to turn off notifications for specific websites on Google Chrome. Open up Google Chrome app on your smartphone, head over to the website for which you want to turn off notifications. Tap on the three-dot menu on the top right corner of the screen, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Tap on Notifications. Boom! There's a toggle switch that allows you to turn off notifications for that specific website. Flip it off and you are good to go. Another way of turning off notifications without even going to the website is you tap on Settings on Google Chrome, you go to Website Settings, go to Notifications, you have a list of all the websites that you visited and an option to either turn off or on notifications for each individual website. You can turn them off at that point and you are good to go, even without having to visit each and every one of those websites. So next up, we have Firefox. Open up Firefox app on your smartphone, go to the website for which you want to turn off notifications, tap on the three-dot menu icons on the top right corner of the screen, tap on Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. There's a toggle switch that lets you turn off notifications for that specific website. Tap it off and you are done. And if you're an iPhone or iPad user, you are probably using Safari. Here's how to turn off notifications for specific websites on Safari. Now open up the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, scroll down and tap on Safari. Tap on Notifications and you'll see a list of websites that have requested to send you notifications. Find the website for which you want to turn off notifications and then tap on. And just like that, there is a toggle switch that lets you turn off notifications for specific websites. Tap it off and you are good to go. Last but not the least, we have Microsoft Edge. Here's how to turn off notifications on Microsoft Edge. Open up Microsoft Edge app on your smartphone, head over to the website for which you want to turn off notifications, tap on the three-dot menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on Settings and tap on Notifications. Yes, you guessed it. There's a toggle switch that lets you turn off notifications for that specific website. Flip it off and you are done. You see, taking control of your notification game isn't that hard after all. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or other methods you would like to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Click on the video on the screen now to learn more smartphone tips, and we'll catch you in the next one.